How to fix is not charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. First of all, check charger and cable. Now charger will be start from your phone. After that, restart device. Swipe down, open quick setting panel. Click on power off button icon. Click on restart. Again click on restart, restart your phone. Now go back. After that, enable fast charging. Open settings. Click on battery. Scroll down. Click on charging settings. Here you will see fast charging, and if you want to enable fast charging, then turn on this button. After turning on this button, fast charging will be enabled from your phone. Now go back. After that, software update. Open settings, scroll down, click on software update, click on download and install. Here you will see install or update option, and if you want to update software, then click on update. After click on update, your phone software will be updated from your phone. This is how you can fix not charging in Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. I hope you like this video, and thanks for watching this video.